Welcome back to another video. Today we have a lot of Milwaukee free tool deals, Memorial Day, Memorial Weekend deals. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So help out the channel by doing so. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Yeah, this section is so big that I had to cut it and make a video on its own. So we are going to have a regular shopping at Home Depot video, but right now for this is red tools only. This is free. This is the basically the promos only. You got the M18. You buy the kit, basically you get those batteries for free, or the other way around. You buy the batteries, you get those tools for free. You got $199. You buy the 2 amp hour, the 5 amp hour 2-pack system. You get to pick either the hammer drill, the surge, and that's the battery kit there that you have to buy. It's a 5 and a 2. So you guys see there, it's included in there with the standard charger. But yeah, those are really good deals. If you guys hack these deals, you guys can get the tools at a discounted price. The $299 deal does include 2 6 amp hour high output batteries, a charger, for $299, and then you get to pick a free tool from the bottom. Those are all fuel. Most of them are fuel tools. You got the one-handed reciprocating saw. You got the hammer drill. You got the impact driver search, I believe, and the impact driver, and then you got the 3/8 impact wrench. You got the angle grinder there, as you guys see. The angle grinder. You got the circ saw. You got all kinds of tools, and those are the 2 6 amp hour batteries that you have to buy, so you can get those tools for free. That's one of the tools you guys can get. This is a HACKZALL for $159. One-handed reciprocating saw, and then you got the circ saw, $179, 7 1/4. That is the one-handed reciprocating saw, and that is the circ saw, 2631-20. So it is a brushless. That's the 3/8 compact impact wrench with friction ring, $219. You got the 8 amp hour battery for $199, or you get the 4.5 angle grinder you guys can get for free. So any of those you guys can get for free with that $299 kit. That's the 8 amp hour battery. That's the angle grinder, and then the impact wrench to the right. So yeah, definitely a lot of great deals, guys. If you guys hack this and return the batteries, if that's what you want to do, you're going to get it at a discounted price. Really good deal. That's the Milwaukee rocket light. I do have it. Works great. It's an awesome light. It is heavy, but you know, I did buy this. If you guys want to look at the video, I did do a video about this. I'll see if I can link it up above. If not, look at it on my channel. I just released it 2 days ago. So definitely check it out. Look at all the different accessories it has. It's 097-20. You got utility nozzles. You got a crevice tool. You got all kinds of stuff in there. And then you got these. These are the Diablo, or the Milwaukee blades. You got the axe. You got the torch. You got the wrecker. So definitely check it out. There's a lot of great deals. These are 9 inches, 5-pack of these blades. And they do include a free carbide blade on these kits. So definitely check it out. Lots of great deals here. $18.97 for 5-pack 9-inch multi-material saw blades. And then this one's $19. 6 blades for free. So yeah, guys, right now is the time to get them. This is an awesome deal. $34.88 7-piece oscillating multi-tool blade set. My bad. Can't talk today. So many tools. But yeah, there's a lot of multi-material, as you guys see there. 15 times longer life. So these are really cheap, guys. Only one of these is like $20 by itself, or $10, $15. They're really expensive. To get a promo like this is a 7-piece tool combo kit, or 7-piece tool kit, or 2-bit set. That's a wood. Those are the wood blades there at the bottom. 2 times longer life. The metal ones, or the multi-material ones, are the top ones. The ones with the yellow end there, or gold end. That's the way it looks from the back. So you get all the information from the different blades. And some of those blades are made in the USA, so that's a good thing. Milwaukee tool. titanium. So definitely check it out. There's a lot of great deals here. Then you got $169 for the ROVER light. That's another tool you can get for free. Oscillating tool, that's the regular M18. Then you got the Ramen orbital sander. That's the oscillating tool. That's the sander. And then you got the ROVER light, which is the best deal to get with this kit. This is the $299 or the $199 kits. So these are for the $199. You can get all these tools on this side. So $149 you can get the hammer drill, or you can get the search. That's the search there. The hammer's there to the bottom. So with the $199 you can get all the ones on that side. I did pick up another filter. That's the filter for my pack up vac, or for this vac, which is the same one. $17.88. It's just the pack up bag. It's the upgraded version, I guess. So $179 for that. Definitely check it out. There's a lot of great deals here. $199 for the oscillating tool, the fuel. $149 for the 2-pack of 6 amp hour batteries. $99 for the impact driver. That's the impact driver kit there. Yeah, lots of great deals. That's the 2-pack of the 6 amp hour batteries. Yeah, that's those are all good deals there. That's the pack itself. So total value of $198. Fits all M12 tools. And those are all the accessories that it has. And it's contractor bag, sanding sheet, sanding pad, wood bits or wood blades. 1 4 amp hour battery, $199. So that's the fuel. That's one of the better ones there. Newer ones. That's the kit right there. And then $99 for the 2-tool combo kit. Those are brush tools, just to let you know. Still a great deal for the DIY. XC 3 amp hour 2-pack. So you pick any of those for $99. So that's $99. That's the 3 amp hour 2-pack. And then there's the HACKZALL kit. And then you got the impact driver and drill driver at the bottom there. And then this $69 for this CP 1.5 amp hour 2-pack. It's a good deal, little deal. 5-tool combo kit, $199. Just to let you know, those are brush tools, but they're still good tools. It's a nice kit. Got a 3/8 drill driver. You got the 1/4 inch impact driver. You got the hacksaw. You got the multi-tool. You got a flashlight there at the bottom, work light. You got a CP 1.5 amp hour batteries ×2. You got a M12 charger. You got a contractor bag. So you get all that. 1.5 amp hour batteries 2-pack. And that's the kit there, the big kit with all those tools in there. So definitely check it out. Then you got the impact wrench, 3/8 stubby, $175. The fuel. That's a really nice gun there. I've used it before. It's really nice. Really powerful. $39 for the trouble light with USB charging. That's a nice light. Then you got a $79 for the starter kit with the 4 amp hour starter kit. Yeah, like I said, those battery deals are probably the better deals. That's the light there, the 67-hour runtime. Then $99 for the inflator kit. It does come with 1 battery, a charger. Then $34 for the AP SHOCKWAVE 3/8 impact socket set. $54 for the hard hat rechargeable headlamp kit. 475 Lumen. So they do come with batteries. That's the impact socket set. Does come with a rail and an adapter for your impact driver. As you guys see there. That's a really nice kit. I got too many tools already, and I wanted to get this so bad. But yeah, I already got too many tools. So that's the 3/4 5/8, 9/16, half an inch, 7/16, 3/8, 5/16. Then you got the adapter at the end and the rail. They are 3/8 drive, in case you're wondering. And then you got $39.98 for the pack out low profile organizer. So that's a slim, large organizer. That's it right there. I really like it. Except that for that price, I would rather pay for the thicker one. You can fit a lot more stuff. It's still nice to have if you got smaller stuff to, you know, put in here. And those bins are removable, as you guys see there. And that's your regular pack out there. Your pack out boxes. And then, yeah, that's how it looks when you open it. If you guys haven't looked at the pack out. And then this is the whole dozer kit, the 13-piece bimetal whole saw kit, $39.88. We did see this a few weeks, about a week ago. I did end up getting it, so I will do a video on this. $29.97 for the 23-piece Shockwave red HELIX titanium bit set. I always get titanium. I won't get anything else because titanium is the way to go. They last a lot longer. That's the 3/8 bit. As you guys see, 5 times longer. Shockwave impact duty metal. You got the $24.97 for the 50-piece Shockwave impact drill driver set. 50 pieces, $90 value. You got some inch bits there. You got some nut drivers there. You got a socket adapter. You got some drill bits. You got a magnetic sleeve. You got some 2-inch bits there, Phillips. Some more 2-inch bits over here. And some 1-inch on the top. So a total of 50 pieces. $99 at your choice, any of these. So you got compact brushless 1/2 inch drill driver with 1 battery. It used to come with 2 batteries, but now this year it's only 1 battery. And then you got the impact driver here for $99 with 1 battery, a charger in a bag. Then you got 2 CP 3 amp hour batteries for $99. That's a really nice deal there, 50 bucks a piece. I think that's a better deal of all of those. Got the drill driver there and the impact driver. Alright, $149, you got the 2-tool combo kit. They are brushless, I believe. No, they're not. So they're not brushless. They're just brush tools. And that's the better deal here. The top off 175 watt power supply M18 red lithium battery. So you get a free 5 amp hour battery. If you buy this top off, this is an inverter, so you can connect smaller appliances and power them. I will have a video this week, I believe Tuesday or Wednesday it's coming out of this week. So stay tuned for this video. I will be trying to see if it'll power a TV, a fan, and stuff like that. So definitely check out the video. And subscribe, don't miss it. Those are the power tools. And then you got some more deals over here. You got a job site markers 2-pack. The ink saw $197. Fine point. So you guys see there. And then you got the 4-piece ink saw fine point colored job site markers. So you guys see there. And then you got a 12-pack here in case you need to have a few of them. And then this is a really nice kit. This is the 2-pack bolt line chalk reel kit. $19.97. Yeah, this is really nice. Really nice kit. Definitely check it out if you're on trades. Stock up on those. So $19.97 for the 2-pack. And then this is your choice. You can buy any of these and get the 4th for free. So you buy 3 of these and get the 4th for free. Your choice, any of these. You got the Comfort Grip 6-in-1. You got the, as you guys see there, Comfort Grip 6-in-1. That's a really nice. I really like the handle on those. You got the 11-in-1 multi-bit driver. Or you get the tape measure there, 25 feet. That's the 6-in-1. It looks really nice. I like the handles and everything. Really nice finish. You got the blades there. I believe it's 75 pieces. And then you got the fastbacks. Lots of great deals. You got $19.97 for the 300 lumen ROVER magnetic floodlights. $29.97 for the 325 lumen focusing flashlight. That's it right there. It's really nice. Yeah, definitely check it out. There's a lot of great deals. I couldn't make up my mind what to get because I obviously can't spend so much. 450 lumen headlamp. And just to let you know, these are battery operated. So this is right there, 3 AAA batteries included, I believe. So I don't know if these are rechargeable or not, but it says batteries are included. So I guess they are included. Yeah, these are really nice. And then you got the gloves here, the goatskin leather gloves, $19.97. And then you got those the 2-pack of gloves. That's the tape measure there. Anyways, that's it for today, guys. Lots of great stuff. I'm still gonna have a shopping at Home Depot video. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.